You've just uploaded an amazing video, but wait, no thumbnail. That tiny image might seem small, but it's actually the first impression your audience gets. Think about it. When you scroll through YouTube, what makes you stop? It's not the first title, it is the thumbnail. Studies show that video with custom thumbnail can get up to 154% more clicks than those without one. YouTube is a visual platform. If your thumbnail doesn't stand out, your content might never get seen, no matter how good it is. And here's the thing. YouTube even uses thumbnail performance to determine your click-through rate. And this is a key metric in video ranking. That means a weak thumbnail can cost you views, growth, and even revenue. So if you've been skipping this step or relying on auto-generated ones, you are literally leaving sources on the table. In the next video, I will show you how to create a thumbnail that gets clicks and makes your channel stand out. But for now, remember, a video without a thumbnail is like a book without a cover. Don't just upload, stand out. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more creator tips. Right now, let's go over to how to create a thumbnail. I'm going to be using tools such as ChatGPT, my InShot video editing app, and after that I will export and you'll see the whole process. So everything is going to be displayed in this screen record you're about to watch now. Alright, let's go there. I head on to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. So I'll tell ChatGPT what I want. I'll tell ChatGPT to give me a thumbnail idea and a thumbnail text for the title I intend using. So the title I intend using is how to create eye-catching YouTube thumbnail. That gets more clicks. And I send through that arrow pointing up here. Okay, I think I forgot to put a thumbnail text. So I just quickly added it and then I would give ChatGPT the prompt. And now ChatGPT is loading. So it said a bold eye-catching thumbnail example, like a YouTube video preview with bright text, a surprise face, or arrow pointing at it. It's a use contrasting colors like yellow text on a dark background, red arrows, or a before / after thumbnail style. Okay. So I now went to Meta AI and gave the command to Meta AI. And Meta AI gave me this auto-generated image So Meta actually gave me a Jiffy, which is what is a Jiffy? A Jiffy is a photo that moves as a Jiffy. So what I do next is that since it came at a Jiffy, I then went and cropped it. I screenshotted and then cropped. That's all I did. I think I did that with my InShot video editing app. So I quickly opened InShot and then right now I bring in a cropped photo into my InShot video editing app. So this is a cropped photo. Alright, so I've removed the InShot watermark. Right now I want to do some photo editing, like increasing the contrast, and then head on straight to brighten or sharpen to bring out the best quality of the image and click my good sign. So here is it. The next thing is to add my text. Remember ChatGPT has suggested a text to me before now. Now I'll drag the image to fit into the screen. That is a YouTube required thumbnail size. So this is a 16:9. So into this, I'll then put in my text. I already copied the text already, and I'll paste. You can see the text: thumbnail hacks, get more clicks fast. Can you see this? Alright, I remove the quotation sign. And I will adjust the text to make it bold so that viewers who will read it can see it clearly. One thing you must notice that your text size must be bold enough. I need to adjust it so as not to cover the image. You understand? And it should be bold enough for people to see it. And it should just contain few words. Not that I will pack so many words on the screen. The thumbnail is supposed to contain few words. So right now, the next thing I will do is adjusting the spacing. So you could see that the texts are somehow close to one another. So right now, what I do is I take a step towards separating them. So there will be spacing. They'll be able to read and actually decipher meanings from the entire text. So I want to make it bigger. You can see the surprise face. So I'm trying to adjust the size of the text and ensure that it is also in line. So adjust it and position it at the middle, where both the face, the text can be seen. Alright, so you can see it. So I think I will still make it a bit bolder. Alright, so good, properly positioned. Thumbnail hacks, get more clicks fast. Can you see this? So get more clicks fast. Alright, so by doing this, I just created my text already. I've created my text already. So the next thing is just to adjust, just like you see me doing. If you've done this, we've just created a thumbnail. Right now, I'd like you to like, comment, share this video so that those who do not know how to create thumbnails can also watch this video and learn how to. So take note that thumbnails are the first image you see in front of your video, and it determines the growth of your page, the virality of your video. The thumbnails are as important as the content itself. So because thumbnail is the first thing that the viewer will see. So a good thumbnail equals to a good visibility, more reach, more views. So your thumbnail is your approach. Once your approach is wrong, then every of your step is wrong. I'd like you to like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next post.